So I hit the Iwatayama Monkey Park in Kyoto, Japan. We ended up taking a Hakyu train to Arashiyama station, and it was just a short little 7-minute walk to get to the actual entrance of the monkey park. Now the monkey park is near the bamboo forest, or the bamboo grove, and it was actually a really pretty place. A lot of scenic views. Now it's a bit of a climb to actually get to the park and see the monkeys. It's a fair bit of a climb, but at least there's plenty of places to stop and rest. A lot of bench seats to sit and relax at. A number of mist fans can be found along the path, especially at the rest stops. The climb gives you fantastic views of the town and the bamboo grove. Plenty of signs and information can be found along the path, such as this one. You end up at a little hut that's actually a combination of a little rest stop and a little information hub about the monkeys and the monkeys' environment and stuff like that. Essentially a marker to let you know that you're close by to the actual park. And we're finally here. Just monkeys everywhere, sitting around, hanging out, sitting in trees, splashing around in a pond. The views are amazing from the monkey park. Now there are rules at this park that you must follow to keep yourself and the monkeys safe. If you want to feed the monkeys, you gotta buy cut up pieces of apple from a vendor there. The vendor can be found inside the hut, and essentially this is how you interact with the monkeys. You place the cut up apples on the bench and then themselves reach out and grab the fruit. So I saw some people basically handing the fruit to the monkeys and then gently just grabbing it off their hands. I didn't see any monkeys go crazy and like rip out someone's eyes or anything, but you know, you just want to be safe and stuff. I reckon the monkeys were much more tamer than the deers from Nara. The monkeys understood that by hanging out near the windows, you most likely be presented with fruit, whereas in Nara, the deers were essentially going through things, trying to find anything that they can eat. The dairies in Nara were really pushy. and kinda more scary than the monkeys here. Well, at this hut there's plenty of facilities to clean your hands, there's a mist fan you can stand in front of. The monkeys are pretty chill, they just hang out, climb on the windows and stuff, watch ya. Tons of cute little baby monkeys, grown-up monkeys. It's monkey galore! Older monkeys that steal from baby monkeys. How dare you, you damn filthy older monkey. Tons of history about the monkeys themselves. Stuff about the first monkey there, how the monkey's feet are, and how to be a monkey. I just made that last one up. My friend is right now demonstrating how you actually properly feed these monkeys. But then he stopped caring. The monkeys are pretty chill. They wait for you to feed them. If you don't feed them, they're pretty chill about it. They either just move away or just hang out, sit there, watch you while you watch them. Monkeys. You gotta remember, this is like a free roam monkey park. So you have to be careful not to piss off any monkeys or they'll probably swarm you. But it's great to see them in like a natural habitat, watching them interact with each other and their environment. There's not a lot of exploration you could do at this monkey park. It's just like a small little base, essentially. But you could still do a little bit more climbing and get a better view of the town. After we were done hanging out at the monkey park, we left. We ended up going to, I think, Bamboo Grove after this. On the way down we saw some monkeys hanging out in the trees and we saw an epic monkey leap as well. We're back down from our climb to the monkey park. And now we're going to be heading to Bamboo Grove, which I'll be uploading as my next video. Now my final thoughts and feels. Should you visit this park? I say yes. It's pretty fun, and it was a memorable experience as well. Getting to engage with the monkeys, checking them out in the natural habitat. It was kind of like a reverse zoo where you were in the cage, the hut, while the monkeys were outside. And the weird thing is, none of the monkeys really came inside the little hut. They mostly sat around outside. So it was kind of like a weird experience. Like an unspoken rule between human and monkey. Human inside, monkey outside. Anyway, there weren't a lot of tourists up there, so that was a good thing. It was pretty chill, plenty of places to sit and rest. To summarize, I reckon anyone who's going to be in the area for bamboo growth definitely hit this place. It's a pretty unique experience. People were having fun feeding the monkeys, which could be a fantastic, memorable experience, as long as you respect the rules of the park and you respect the monkey's personal space and stuff. Well, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, check out my Patreon. I have more videos coming up, especially ones of me in Japan, exploring different places and stuff. Bye bye!